This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to start with a new color on your Amigurumi project once you've cut and fastened off your previous color with an invisible finish. If you haven't done that yet, be sure to watch my video on how to do an invisible finish first. We'll be treating the fake stitch from your invisible finish as the end of the previous round. You can tell which one it is because you can see the top of the stitch we worked over directly underneath it. It looks like a little line under the top of the stitch. With your new color, create a slip knot on your hook. Insert your hook into the stitch next to your fake stitch and single crochet. And complete the round as written. When starting the next round, crochet into your standing start just like a normal stitch. I'll finish this round to give you a better idea of the finished product. You've just completed a standing start color join. Thanks for watching!